how to do this trick. So, give me a second. I already have some over here, but I will get out and make a new one to show you. So you click on the plus, you know, it's Ibisbane X, by the way. This is what I do. Okay. Click OK. Now just draw something in your red. Normal, beautiful red color. That's red if you want it. Here's the red if you really want the exact same red. Just take a screenshot, take it. Wait. I'll do it for you. Did you do it? Good. Okay. Let's draw something. I'm just gonna do this like always. Wait. Circle. Wait, no, that's not. You go over here. Circle. No fill, just circle. And then you go big. Second. There we go. If you all want to know how to do it, you just go here, circle, no fill, and then you do this. Second up there. Right there. Then one. No, that's not good circle. Now we can just draw. I'm gonna give her some hair, some beautiful hair. Okay, perfect. You gotta go to here, and no, add layer. Then you click on the plus. Now, you are going to go with the blue. Here's the blue if you need it. Here's the blue if you need it. By the way, I'm not ruining it because look, I had it earlier. So try to copy the same thing.
Smooth, I'm gonna jump in the shower.
Okay, too thick. Okay, there we go. Have my circle, and then just up. And then you can just draw. I'm gonna draw the same bangs, like almost. This time her hair is in a bun. Let me just do this for a second. Circle, fill with current color, and there we go. So we got a bun, beautiful bun, beautiful, very beautiful. Let me just color it. I have to color that. Oh my god. Off. Okay, there we go. Got it. Now you're gonna want to put it on 50%. No. If you're really close, just click on the plus. And now you set and you click darken. Okay, now you're done with this. Click plus. Again, have no layer. Now, this is where you make the glosses go. You don't have to do this, but I do it because I am bored. Like, it's easier for me. Okay, so go one square. Just move that square a little bit to the side and make it small. And make it perfect. Then make another one with the red. I'm just going to be safe. Oh well, and you're gonna add another layer, then you're gonna click you're gonna click here and drag it under, and then you're gonna do the same thing, but change the color to black, which you just click here, and then you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna do that, blah blah blah. The basics of Iris Paint. If you never use Iris Paint and you download it just for this, well, hope this tutorial helps you. Then you click here, and then you click here to connect them. Then you click darken, and you're done. So click here, and you can. Then you click here if you want to switch the sides. I personally do not want to switch the sides. And you're done. In a second. There you go. Our beautiful blonde. Give me a second. This is literally the opposite. No. No, what did I do? Oh, here you go. And then here you go. If you don't want to make it bigger, just make the size. There we go. And if you really want to make it look weird, done. Well, there we go. The glasses. That's it. That's your tutorial.